If you've just bought a juicer but you're not really sure where to start, then here are 5 juice recipes to get you started. Juice number 1, super green juice. This juice is made with a handful of spinach, a handful of kale, 2 apples, 1 lemon and 2 celery sticks. Juice number 2, tropical sunshine juice. This juice is made with half a pineapple, 1 passion fruit and a splash of water if you like. Number 3 on the list, berry blast juice. Chuck in a handful of blueberries, a handful of strawberries and a splash of water if you like. Juice number 4, a minty cucumber cooler. You can make this one with 1 cucumber, 1 lime and a bunch of mint leaves. And last but not least, a spicy carrot and ginger juice. You can make this one with about 5 carrots, a chunk of ginger, and be careful with this one because the smallest bit of ginger can be super spicy, and 2 oranges. I hope this video was helpful if you are just getting started out with juicing or if you just need some juice ideas. And please remember that you can adjust the recipes to whatever your taste is. So if you'd like it a bit sweeter, then add more fruit. If you'd like some more nutrition, then add some more vegetables. It's really up to you. And please remember to like and subscribe.